Click go, and it goes automatically back to back. So we're gonna Blastoff controller is disconnected. The drone is still following me for some reason, and the Blastoff controller is disconnected. So let's try and get back in the app. Okay, let's turn the app off. Okay, I don't know what's happening there. We lost control of it. We turned off the Blastoff controller, turned it back on, nothing happened. We unplugged the phone. Whoa. We unplugged the phone. Oh, she's wanting to take off. She's wanting to take off by herself, so I think we're gonna bring her down. I'm not sure what's going on here. And she's definitely not turning. She's not turning at all. She's not turning. So we're going to stop that. Okay, we just landed her. So for some reason, it had a track on me. And when I tried to change it, it disconnected. Let's put her back here. We're gonna try and take off back from here and see what happens. Thought we were gonna lose her. Okay, let's do a takeoff. Take off now. Home point recorded. Okay, I'm not sure what happened there, guys. That was pretty strange.